We will be going over the connector assembly task 207. Before we begin, let's go over our materials. We have our base, our metal nut, clamp, screws, and once we assemble the connector assembly, we'll place it in our storage box. This is the connector that we'll be assembling today. Now that we are familiar with all the materials, let's begin the process. Take one base in your left hand and one nut in your right hand. Put the nut on the base. You will see the threaded part on the base and tighten it. Take one clamp and put the clamp on the base. Make sure the holes match. Take one screw and put the screw through the clamp hole and into the base hole. Turn the screw head about 9 times. The end of the screw will come out the other side. Take another screw, put it in the second hole of the base. Turn the screw head about 9 times until the end comes out the other side. Hold the first screw at the end and turn it until the screw head touches the clamp and tighten it. Hold the second screw end and tighten it. The clamp should not move. Put the finished unit in the storage box. You've completed the process.